bad bitches in the party. Know they tryna fill up on your body. I know they tryna take it to the lobby and take it to the room for the night. Work for it, baby, make 'em work for it. I'ma make you work for it.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig review. This is a curly Italian lace from DYHAIR777. This is a cute little package that they gave me. So I'm gonna show you how I got my curly hair routine, how I slayed these curls. Like, do you guys see this curl pattern? Bomb. So I'm gonna show you how I style these curls, installed my lace, all of that. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget to show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, and also hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Here is this cute little tote that the hair came in. It's DYHAIR777. This curly hair is amazing. You guys just watch, okay? So I'm gonna show you how the hair looks in its package. As you can see, this is how the hair comes. It's Brazilian hair, 100% human hair. And it comes very secure, so it has a little net over it and, you know, the little plastic piece in between the wig. I'm going to show you guys the curl pattern. Oh my gosh, I love these curls. I cannot express it enough. When I laid this wig, it was just super duper easy, and as you can see, the hair is pre-plucked. I did not bleach these knots, so you don't have to. You can if you decide that you want to customize it a little bit, and I believe it has 13x4 parting space. I'm going to have all the information in the description box below, but you guys know how I do. I'm going to show you how I lay this wig. I'm just using Gots to Be Glued. I put a layer of that, and I'm just going to lay this wig down. You can free part this hair, but you know how I do. I like a middle part. I think it looks the cutest on a curly wig, or you can even style it, do you a little side part, but this is where we're going with today, sis.
What we do here is go back.
So to style this hair, in my curly hair routine, I always use a water bottle that I mixed with warm water and conditioner. The conditioner I like to use is Fruit Garnier. I use that on all of my wigs, especially curly wigs. It's sleek and shine, and you just want to make sure the hair is really moist so it lays properly and you can see the actual curl pattern. Like, do you see when I brush this hair? No tangles, no shedding, nothing, sis. The curl pattern is just gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. It's super duper tight and it lasts throughout the day. I actually went out last night when I recorded this video, and my curls actually had that wet look all night. And to make sure you keep that wet look, you have to use some mousse. So I'm using some, I believe it's Cantu mousse. It's a curling wrapping mousse, so it keeps the curls and makes sure that it's moisture throughout the day. Now that I have both sides styled, I'm going to put a few baby hairs in the front. I also used the mousse on my baby hairs, and I wanted to show you guys the shedding. It wasn't much shedding at all. I did style my baby hairs before this clip, but I noticed it still needed a little bit of plucking. So the best thing to do is just style your baby hairs, and if it's looking too crazy, like too much hair, then just go back in and pluck the hairs where it needs to be plucked and just finish styling those. It's super duper easy. Last but not least, I'm going to take my little silver clips I got from my local beauty supply store and lay that wig. I usually like to lay my wigs and then do my makeup. As you can see, I just have eyeshadow on. So I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll come right back to you guys. So the first thing that stands out about this hair is its curl pattern. It's so gorgeous, and can you believe this hair is dry? It's absolutely dry, like no water on my hands. It looks so good. What I did was style the hair first, and then I did my makeup and let the hair air dry, and it just looks bomb. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It does not tangle. The curls hold so well. Let me show you guys the products because you guys always ask me. To get the really tight curls, I always use Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It says Wave Whipping Curling Mousse, and here it is. You can get at your local beauty supply store. It costs me about $6. That's all I put in the hair, except a water mixed with conditioner. You know, I use my handy dandy water bottle. Where is it? I can't find it, but I use water mixed with conditioner in a water bottle, spray it all over there. Then I just go over the hair with some mousse, and it gives me these gorgeous curls. The mousse is the key to get that wet look throughout the day. It would hold the curls and keep it moisture throughout the day. So it just looks bomb. Like, it doesn't look dried out or anything. And trust me, it's been about an hour since I styled this hair. It looks so good. One thing I can say is it shed a little bit, but it shed when it was wet. That's usually what happens when you have curly hair, but it didn't tangle. That's important. So you just may have a few strands of shedding hair, but other than that, hair is good. It's not shedding all of my clothes because I'm all dressed, getting ready to go to a cute little banquet. So I am ready to go. What else can I say? I believe the parting space is 13 by 4 parting space. It's free part, you can part it wherever, but I got this Lace Sis. I'm sorry, I'm not showing you the parting space today, but as you can see, it's laid. I didn't put any pressed powder. I didn't put anything, you know, in my parting space or anything. I just used a little bit of powder when I was doing my makeup in the front part of these baby hairs, but other than that, that's it. I could probably use some powder in the parting space, but sometimes I don't like to do it because it looks like too powdery. Maybe I'm putting too much, I don't know, but you don't need it, sis. It looks good. It's good to go. I did not bleach these knots. I did pluck a little bit in the front of the baby hairs, but it already was pre-plucked. But to get it really laid and natural, you want to pluck your hair a little more. It don't matter what wig it is. You have to style it to your hairline, you know, so it matches. But overall, this hair is bomb. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and also comment below if you're gonna purchase this hair. It's super duper cute. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this on an everyday basis. I love curly hair, especially really good curly hair. So this is gonna work for your girl, and I'm about to go out and slay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to show your girls some support. Give me a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget I'll have all the information on this wig in the description box below. So I do appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.